Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I hope you're doing amazing and are keeping safe because that is really important. So as you've read by the title of the video, today's video is going to be about Nykaa haul. Now, you know Nykaa is having their hot pink sale and they are having like up to 50% off. So I had to buy a lot of things because of course sale hai to mujhe refill to karna hi padega. And so any which ways, I have shopped quite a lot and I want to show it to you all what all I have got. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up so that I know. So without blabbering much and without much ado, let's just get into the video. So the first item that I'll be showing you is the foundation that I've got. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation and in the shade 310 Sun Beige. This is a refill because the previous foundation that I have is about to get over, and this is the very first time when I actually, I have completed a bottle of foundation. Otherwise कभी नहीं हुआ ऐसा. वो वाला bottle में काफी time तक था. बस काफी time से था. So now it is done with. So I got it and it's a repurchase. I do not remember the price of any of these items. I'll make sure to keep it on the screen as well as in the description box below. So please make sure to check that out. So yeah, that's the first purchase that I have made. Second thing that I've got is a kajal. This is by K Beauty, which is a Katrina Kaif's brand. And I love the packaging. They do not just give the pencil, but they have given it in this cardboard box. So I'll show it to you guys, and I love the kajal pencil, not gonna lie. I love this kajal pencil. It's so beautiful. It's just beautiful. If you can see, I have tried a lot of brands kajal pencils, be it Faces, Nykaa, Maybelline, Lakme, many others. So this one is the best. It actually gives you very dark and it does not smudge off. So it does stay for quite some time and it's a very beautiful kajal. You must try this. And I think this was priced at $199 at the moment in the discount one. So you definitely need to buy this one for sure. Okay, so moving on, I got this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer Dewy Luminex Base Day Tint. Oh god. Alright, any which way, so this is the primer that it is. Now it has got a very lot of shimmer particles. So this is the primer. I have used a lot of product, itna nahi chahiye. But yeah, this is the kind of shine you'll be getting. This is like a base tint and it is very good for like party makeup or something like that. So you'll get that shiny looking base dewy finish. It does not have a lot of shimmers. It does have a few shimmers, but it's not very chalky, so you can definitely use it. It's a good product, so yeah. I've not used it yet, so I need to see how it works on my face though. The next thing that I got is this liner. Now, it's the liner by Maybelline New York, the Colossal Liner. It's a sketch liner and I kind of love the liner. I love this liner. It's very easy to apply. It's also very good for winged eyeliner or the inner corner lines. So it's amazing. I love this one. Next product that I have is again a repurchase, which is this one by Etude House. It's the eyebrow pencil. It's in the color brown and I love this brown pencil. I'm not sure if you can see it on my hands at the moment. Yeah, it's this one. So if you can see it, it will be nice. But yeah, it's a beautiful brow pencil and affordable and it's very nice. So if you're someone who is beginning with makeup, you can definitely try this one out. It's amazing. And if you start filling your eyebrows, you will love it. So this one is something that you need to put your hands on. This is amazing, yeah. Next purchase that I have is this one. It's the Bella Vita Organic Eye Lift Under Eye Gel with cucumber, almond and vitamin E. So guys, this product is amazing. It's very small. It's a 200-gram bottle. And this one was priced at 325 rupees, but I did get it at some discount. And this is a very good product. You can actually smell the cucumber and it's a gel-based product. So I'll just show it to you guys. It's a gel-based product. If you can see, it's right here. It's a gel-based product. It's a very nice product. I love this one. The second product is a lotion. This is the Japanese Cherry Blossom from Bath & Body Works with shea butter and vitamin E. This is the product. I love this body lotion and I got it for Nykaa. And yeah, it's a very good product to have. So yeah, that's there. Now the next product that I have is the Lakme Sun Expert PA SPF 50. It's a very good gel-based sunscreen. It's a very good smell. It's a repurchase again, but I love this product. So this is something that I really like. The next product is castor oil. This is by Aroma Magic Castor Oil and I kind of like it. It's a normal product. I have also used it in the past once. So yeah, that's the next product is this one. This is Swiss Beauty Precision Mascara and this comes in this sort of packaging. Swiss Beauty has actually amped up their packaging. It actually looks very nice. It comes in this. It's a good product, but it's very flimsy. The wand is very flimsy. So I'm like, you can see, I mean, if you can see, it's very flimsy. So I'm not sure what to think, but the product is good. It actually elongates the lashes and it looks like you've done a lot to your lashes when actually you've just applied this one. So it's a good product to have, but as I said, it's a little flimsy. I have one more product. This is a sample that I got. This is free of cost, of course. It's the Garnier Skin Natural. The language is something else. As you can see, the language is something else. So I am not sure what it is exactly, but it's a cream, of course. It's a gel based cream. The smell is divine, you guys. It's a beautiful smell. I think I've shown you all the items. No. Okay, so the next item and the last item now is this one. This is the Venus Shaver. It's the Venus Breeze gel bars with avocado oil for Glide and Fresca scent, whatever. It's a razor and I wanted to try the razors out. So yeah, so that's the reason I got this one for myself. I have not used it yet, but I'm surely gonna use it. So yeah, this is how it came. And yeah, also ordered one nail paint, but I really can't find it right now, so that's there. I have ordered a Faces Canada ka nail paint. That's pretty much what I ordered during the Pink sale. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also like the video. And do not forget to follow me on my Instagram because I post a few content here and there as well. So you might want to just follow me there. Also, if you want to buy any of these products, the link will be in the description box below as mentioned earlier as well. So yeah, with that we come to an end of the video. I'll take your leave now. I hope you have a great day. Till then, bye.
Keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall.